Good morning, maayong buntag, magandang umaga. Good morning. Aloha kakahiyaka. Buenos dias. Ano pa? Guten Morgen. Okay? Akong pasyente is German, so I learned Guten Morgen. Ano pa? Danke. Okay, thank you. And Guten Morgen, good morning. Aloha kakahiyaka, maayong buntag guys. Ate Des here. Ito, short video lang, pasasalamat. Mulaag si Ate Des, na-dentist karon, plus I have to go some grocery shopping. At just wanna say, maayong buntag, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Lunes ngayon, March 22, 2026.